this is Reagan with Reagan, and today we are unboxing some pins from my friend Megan out of Milwaukee, Oregon. So let's see what she sent us. Make sure there's nothing else in the package. We're all clear. So, these are my fanny pack pins, which I don't know if you can see that, but we have White Rabbit and Bambi, the Neko raccoon, and the Raja tiger from Aladdin. Neko the raccoon is from Pocahontas. So those three are going into my fanny pack collection, which I conveniently started at the Austin Pin Show a couple of weeks ago. So thank you to Megan for that, and I can't wait to trade with you in the future. Thanks for watching, y'all. Happy pin trading. Bye.